Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. We're really proud to take you around today our first one of these. It's a MAN TGE panel van in this standard wheelbase with a high roof in pure grey. Now we're having to video this one outside as unfortunately it's just a tiny bit too big to get in our showroom. So I'll take you around it out here in the sun, show you the many things we've done to it, the great spec it's got. As you can see, styling wise at the front, looks really sharp and aggressive. It's got the factory LED headlights. We've also fitted laser lights into this grille, which as you can see has changed from the standard gloss black grille with the satin contrast on the man and the lion in the middle there. Totally bespoke front bumper with gloss black inserts. It's on 20-inch fully load rated alloy wheels with General Grabber AT3 tyres, which we felt were probably the best balance between sort of on-road comfort and ability off-road. This is the top of the range 3.180 4x4 automatic 177 PS model. It doesn't get any better than this. Gloss black mirrors too. Please notice the smoking details as well on the side repeaters and the marker lights down here. All the trims have been colour coded to match the van. It's totally transforming the finish of it. Moving inside, individual seats with the bulkhead delete. Now these are factory swivelling seats, as you can see from there. Plenty of extra spec on it as well. It has got a reverse camera, heated seats, heated steering wheel. This one's got the expensive climatronic system, so you can digitally set dual zone climate. Diff lock, front, rear and side parking sensors, and the rear lighting button too there. It's also got adaptive cruise control and the driver's assistance pack, which includes lane assist amongst other things. It's a really high spec vehicle, this one. We've done a hell of a lot of work on the styling there, and what we thought was just to leave this inside for whoever buys it to transform into exactly what they want. So it's blank canvas, whether you want it to be a motorhome, race van, day van, whatever you might want, it's there and available for you to do as you wish. So just take you around the rest of it. Has got some, you can just about see there, extra little roof rails on the top. Got the side rail there. Totally bespoke rear bumper too. These gloss black dummy tips there and the exhaust sensors all integrated into it. Everything colour coded and be totally debadged on the back there, save for the little lion emblem. Got your camera up the top. These are the extra wide opening doors. That's the reason why it has this extra little bit on it here. And you can see into the back. Move around here, you'll see these lights have been smoked too. Delivery mileage vehicle on a 22 plate. So it comes with your full MAN warranty from date of registration. We hope you'll agree that it just looks totally unique. And for somebody who's wanting the best there is, this should be the one for you. Just delivery miles to ourselves, as mentioned, has come quite a long way, so the mileage is 330 miles. Has got the factory leatherette seats too. If you wanted those retrimming in a particular bespoke leather, any colour, really, we can figure that out for you. Just have a chat with us at an extra cost. And we've got a full written description of this van and 20 plus photos all on the website martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. We do take part exchange and we can offer finance facilities. So if you're interested, please do get in touch with us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.